According to Jordan Peterson, breakfasts that are made up of highly processed carbohydrates and simple sugars like cakes, white bread are not ideal for breakfast. This is because they get quickly digested to glucose, resulting in a spike in glucose level within the blood. The hormone insulin is produced, and this hormone quickly converts the glucose for storage. The result? Low blood glucose level. We usually say low blood sugar level. So the amount of glucose circulating within your body, even to your brain, is much lower than the optimum. Of course, someone cannot learn when they are having low blood sugar. They cannot learn optimally. That means the kids lose concentration. Some of them want to sleep. Some of them become grumpy. Others become disruptive within the classroom. How about Githeri? Githeri is made up of maize and beans. Whole maize is a complex carbohydrate. It is not processed. The beans also is not processed. So these foods take a long time to be digested. Glucose is released a little at a time. So your child feels energized. Your child is energized throughout from 6 a.m. up to the next break, which is maybe 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Githeri is locally available. It is cheap to procure compared to even bread or cake. So if you don't have any other alternative, just feed on Githeri. You can add in there an avocado and you're good to go. Otherwise, if you can afford it, you can use brown bread and some eggs and some fruit for your breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal, but we do it the other way. We want to eat a lot of ugali at night when we are going to sleep. We don't need it at night. Eat your ugali, whole meal ugali, and meat and sukuma wiki in the morning. Then at night, just take a cup of tea and go to bed. Someone said, dine like a king for breakfast. Eat like a prince for lunchtime. And eat like a pauper at night.